Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a tool called Kahoot. Kahoot is a really fun quizzing tool that you can use with your students. A few teachers already use this. I'm not going to go into advanced details, but if you haven't heard of Kahoot or heard about it and haven't really used it yet, this is the video for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website create.kahoot.it, not .com, .it. And whenever you're there, it's going to have you create your own account. They are free. And then whenever you do that, you'll get to a screen that looks similar to this. Now I'm going to create a new Kahoot. As you can see, there's a couple different options here. I'm just going to create a simple quiz. And first you have to name it, go, type in your question, you can say how many, or if it's a points question or no points question, you can set a time limit on it if you would like. You can attach images, videos, all that stuff. I'm not going to bother with that, but whenever you get to the bottom, that's where you put in your answer choices. And then you mark which one is correct. Now down here is where you'll add a question or duplicate this question, cancel, and I'm going to just move on because I already have a test one set up for you. So you'll get to the settings screens first, and then you select all these different things. Privacy setting, if you make it public, that means anybody can actually access. So you'll find also we'll get to a place where all the public ones are, and you can actually use other people's Kahoots that they've already created. I'm going to hit cancel because, as I said, I already have a test one created for us. Okay, so whenever you build yours, so here's all the public ones, and you can title and search for them that way if you would like to try to use one that's already been created. My Kahoots is where yours is going to be located. Whenever you're ready to play, you're going to hit the play button. Okay, it's going to give you a couple different options while it's loading, like randomized order of questions or the answers. I like the randomized order of answers, so I can just put the first one as the correct one whenever I'm typing it all out, and then it will make it random whenever you actually launch the quiz. All right. So as you can see, tablets, phones, computers, all that can be used. So what I'm going to do while this is doing this, turn down my headphones, and I'm going to start my reflector app, which is how you can see my iPad, so you can see what the students are going to see. And again, laptops, so if you bring your kids to the computer lab, that is fine. You can still do this. There's my iPad. Okay, so the students, what they will see is this area here to put in the game pin, and the game pin is that up there. 5540. Okay, and enter. And I'm going to pick a nickname, so I'm just going to put in my nickname. Join game. You're in, and it asks them if their names appeared. It did appear on your big screen over here. So that's what it's going to look like to begin with on the iPad. I'm going to drag this down, and while we're at it, I'm going to actually also put this in my phone just so we have multiple players on the screen. You can't see my phone, sorry. I do not have an iPhone, so I can't do the nice screen on screen. So that's my iPhone. So I'm playing Jane Austen here. Whenever everybody is signed in, you click Start Now on your computer screen. Okay, and it's 7 questions. So you'll see what does Knightley decide, why does Knightley decide to move to Highbury? And it gives me, that's the picture if you choose a picture. And then as you can see, there's different options here. Now, the student screen, all they have is the actual tiles of what it looks like. So, oh, and that's incorrect. So you can see here, both people got it incorrect, and if you move on to next, it shows you the points of each person. I'm going to do this a couple more times. And Emma, she and Harriet are beset by who while walking while they are attacked? All right, so that time I got it correct, and it shows me how many points and what position I'm in. All right, and we'll do one more. Who is ever originally engaged to in Sense and Sensibility, and that is Lucy. So if I hit End Quiz Now, it shows me who the winner is, who got the most points, how many they got correct, incorrect. I can get the feedback and results. So now actually on my screen you'll also see now that pushes to their screen so they can assess your quiz. Final results, and you can download, and you can also see it does Google Drive as well, so that's wonderful. Here's just a normal Excel spreadsheet. And it shows me the student's name, the correct answers, the incorrect answers, the score, and what they got right and wrong. So if somebody's having a hard time understanding something, this will be helpful to figure out where they're having problems. So if you have any questions about how to use Kahoot, please let me know. Thanks, everyone.